Hi friends and family, my name is Beatrice. Welcome back to my channel, Beatrice's Kitchen. Today we are going to try JJ's Cake 6-inch cake recipe for tall teens. I will reproduce the recipe in the description below. On her channel, she explained how to multiply her recipe to bake large cakes in a larger tins, and I will link her video below to go watch it for more information. As I have multiplied her recipe by 2, then I will need 12 eggs, 750 grams of margarine, 750 grams of sugar, 720 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 100 grams of cocoa powder, as well as 50 grams of lemon juice. On her recipe, she didn't add cocoa powder as well as lemon, but I'm adding them because I want to bake a marble cake which will have lemon, chocolate as well as vanilla in one tin. Then I'll have independent tin which will have chocolate, a tin that will have lemon, as well as a tin that will have vanilla cake. Her recipe calls you to melt your butter or margarine. If you don't have your butter, you can either choose to melt it on your stove top or stove burner, or you can melt your margarine or butter in your microwave. I decided to melt my margarine on my gas burner, and please make sure you stir your butter or margarine to avoid it burning. After my margarine is fully melted, I will add my sugar as you can see in the video, and I will stir it well until I see the sugar has started to dissolve, but it won't dissolve properly until when I add my eggs, because eggs bind the sugar and the margarine together to form one homogeneous mixture of eggs, butter and sugar. After my eggs are fully mixed in the mixture, I added vanilla at this point because vanilla acted as my foundation flavor in my cakes. At this point, I added my all-purpose flour, which was mixed with my baking powder. I mixed my mixture well until I don't see any lumps of flour, as you can see in the video. And then I used my 8-inch tin to bake my vanilla cake. And the other mixture, I divided it into 3 parts. One part, I'll add it in the mixture of cocoa powder, which I made like a sauce. The other mixture, I'll mix it in my lemon. The remaining mixture, I will leave it, and then I will use it in a mixture of lemon, chocolate and vanilla in a marble tin, as you can see in the video. After my chocolate mixture is complete, I added it into a 6-inch tin which I'll bake it into it, and the remainder I will use it into the marble cake. The same will be done for the lemon cake, whereas I added the lemon in the batter or in the cake batter, and I will bake it into a 4-inch tin which the remainder I will use into a marble mixture, as you can see in the video. I alternated between my vanilla, cake batter, chocolate butter, as well as lemon, as you can see in the video, to form that design. But you can do it whichever way that you want. You can use one, you can decide like one side to be fully vanilla, one side to be chocolate, one side to be lemon, but I decided to use this one by dropping each mixture on top of the other, like building on top of each other, as you can see. One thing I noticed at the end was that as I added lemon in my cake batter, it made my mixture a little more watery, while the chocolate one was a little bit heavier, but the one with the vanilla was the most heavier. So the end result, it gave like 3 different textures in one cake. So next time when you want to do that, bear in mind that your texture of the batter before you bake it, whether it's liquidy or whether it's heavy, really impacts the texture of your cake. I baked my cake for 40 minutes to 1 hour, especially on the larger tins. And when my cakes were ready, I removed them from the oven, but as you can see, the oven temperature was a bit high, causes my cakes to be a little bit burnt on top, but that was no issue because I planned on removing the top layer. And as I said, the texture on the marble, you could see, was a bit different because of the difference in the texture of the batter before the cake was baked. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe in my channel for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.